Hi, I'm Dr. Neal Phillip. I'm from Bronx Community College of the City University of New York. Today I'm at Woxsen University. We are installing a weather station on this campus, a solar-powered weather station, as part of our US Consulate Hyderabad grant with, again, State Department and US Consulate Hyderabad. This is our 22nd weather station we've installed in India. The 19th as part of the grant. And this weather station is a solar-powered system that will give you conventional weather parameters such as temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, but also solar radiation, UV radiation, and air quality monitoring as well, AQI. So people can be apprised of the conditions here, the weather conditions, and the air quality on their campus. And this information will be fed into a smartphone app called the Davis Weather Link. And also it will be sent to IBM's Weather Underground Network, and also to the Davis Weather Station Cloud, where anybody can access the data that's being produced on this weather station. And we have 6 installed in the state, so they can all link these stations together to make some informed decisions about their lives and just their daily activities. So we're very happy to be at Woxsen University. They've been very great hosts. And myself and Professor Sen are very grateful, and Salil Kader from the US Consulate in Hyderabad. We're very, very happy to be here and doing this kind of work with Woxsen University. Thank you very much.